In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add chapters to your own YouTube videos. Now this is something that I realise quite a lot of people don't know how to do, and somebody actually asked me if I could show them, and I thought it's probably a good opportunity to make a video like this so I could help other people who need to know. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is make a note of all of the chapters that you want in your YouTube video. Now it's very important that when you do this, you start with 00 and you call it intro. Well, you could probably call it whatever you want, but starting at 0 is the most important thing because that's how YouTube knows what it is you're trying to achieve. So as you can see here, I've started with 0 and I've called it intro, and then I've listed out all of the different sections of that video. So once you've done that, and I use Apple Notes, but you could use a WordPad, you could even do it on pen and paper. We're going to head on over to YouTube, and from the channel homepage, I'm going to select Manage Videos. That's going to open up the YouTube Studio. This is the video that I want to add chapters to today. So I'm going to hit the little pencil symbol, and that's going to open up the details page. This is where you can change the title, description, thumbnail, pretty much anything that you want about your video. Now it needs to be said that you can do this either when you upload your video or after you've uploaded your video, like I am today. So we're going to scroll down, and just before the hashtags is where I'm going to type the word timestamps. Now you could also type the word chapters. I don't think it matters what you type here. The most important thing is that you start with 0. So just like you can see here, I'm going to paste in all of the timestamps that I've just written out. Once you've done that, hit save, refresh the page, and then open up the video in a different tab, and you'll see that that video now has all of the chapters that we've just added. Another way that you can access the chapters is through the video description itself, and as you can see, these are the timestamps that I've just put into the description, and that's all there is to it. I really hope you found the video helpful. I'm going to be making videos like this every single week to help new YouTubers and people who are just looking to improve. So if you found this one useful, don't forget to give it a like, and I'll see you on the next one.